Hello and welcome to Nikolay's Biostatistics lessons, and today we are going to talk about set theory, and we have to find a set of A union complement of intersection of B and C. Okay, let's break it to smaller tasks. For example, let's show A. It is very easy. Here is a segment A, circle A. Now let's show complement of intersection B and C. So here's a circle B, here's a circle C, and this is going to be intersection of these two circles, and complement means everything outside this intersection. So this is going to be as follows. And our last step would be to show the union of this picture and this picture. That means we have to show all the sectors which change colors on both pictures. And as you see, we only have one sector that didn't change color on both pictures. Let's say we have following numbers here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Our set is going to include 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So all the numbers except those numbers which we can find in this sector. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.